All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to put a video into your eBay listing with the new eBay listing tool. Really, really cool. I'm excited about this new tool that they have out right now. So we are in one of my listings right now. As you can see in the top, it says try the new listing tool. You might not have this. I think it's still under beta testing. So if you do have access to it, it will say it right there. If you click on this, it will pull into switch listing tools. Click on that and it will pull us into the new format for the listing tool, which is, I think it's pretty cool. It seems like it's a lot more streamlined, a lot quicker. It should be an easier process to go through and list the items in. But the coolest part, which I think is the biggest thing, is the pictures and the videos. You have a couple new features here. Import from your mobile device. I can actually reach over to the mobile device with this import tool. It will touch the mobile device or grab pictures from my phone and pull them over. It will not do videos yet. I'm sure they'll get to it sooner or later, but right now all you can do is pictures. You have to actually somehow either get it over through AirDrop. For Apple stuff, I don't know about Google stuff, but for Apple stuff, you AirDrop it over to your desktop, your laptop, and then you have to come in through here to actually add the video. So I have it in my downloads right now. I'm gonna pull it. The cool thing, pull it from here, drag and drop it anywhere in here, and it pulls it over, and it actually puts it in the second thumbnail portion. It always does that. So it's always going to have your main thumbnail that shows up when people are scrolling through the items, and then the second one, when they click to it, it's got a play button in there that you can actually go in and see the video. I can take you out in a second, and I'll show you the way we have another video in there too. So really, really cool. You cannot do this from your mobile device yet. You still have to come to the desktop or the laptop. I'm sure they'll get around to it to where you can do it on the mobile device, but right now this new listing tool is only accessible through the desktop. Let me see. I'm going to wait for that to load. Then we'll go ahead and update this account. Update this listing, and I think that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to pull over the video once you with this new tool. So, but I kind of wanted this thing to finish before I do it because I don't know if it'll do it. One other thing that it doesn't go live immediately once you get this video in here. eBay has, I think they say 24 to 48 hours they have to review the video to make sure it's legit and fits with their guidelines. And then after that, they'll make it live on the listing. The listing still goes live. It just does not show the video until they preview it and say it's good. I think it's 24 to 48 hours that they say it should normally take, but it can take up to 7 days to verify that the video is good and that they will put it into the listing. If it's not, I'm sure they'll reach out. They won't let you put it in there if it's something against their policies. So I think that is pretty much it. You get a good look. Like I said, I think all this is just streamlined. I think it's a lot easier to go in and change stuff, to go into the categories. I just think it's a better system. So. All right, let's go. I don't know how long I should wait for this thing to go live. Actually, it's getting closer. So I'm going to give it another minute just to, before I revise it. I want it to show that it is, it's imported okay. And then once we do that, I'll pop out of here. Actually, I might be able to go into a separate window while we're waiting for this. Let's jump down here to the bottom of one of my listings. I think I have, yeah, let's go into this one. So this is how it looks after I put watch video in here so people could see that in my first thumbnail. Once you get to the second thumbnail, wow, it's supposed to be in there. You can definitely see it from mobile, but maybe it's not showing up in desktop. Pretty sure I have a listing in that one. Where is one of my other ones that I did? I have one in this too. Let's check this one. Oh, there it is. I wonder, that one must not be live anymore. So this is it. You can see the first one is the thumbnail is that one, the overall picture. Then it comes in and shows the picture here. You can click on this and watch the video. Really, really cool feature. I think this is awesome. You cannot, I don't know if we go back, you cannot, there is a limit on how long they will allow the video to be. I tried to do it over a minute and it will not. So the sweet spot, roughly 50, I think it's 150 megabytes that the video can be. For my settings right now, it's at like 50 seconds. Anything over 50 seconds, it throws it in, it won't let it do it. So you can see where it says under review. So it's all the way uploaded now into eBay. Let's go back and, so it might take 24 to 48 hours to do that. And that's it. We are done. So 24 to 48 hours, it will go live and you will see it. It looks really cool. It's way easier on the mobile version of it. It's just a really, really cool feature for the mobile, but desktop, you kind of get an idea of where it is. I think that's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.